Oh, it's got from Wessex Blades. Just gonna open this on camera, so in case there's any problem, I've opened it on camera. That makes sense. So, this is a delivery of leather. It should be a whole shoulder. Let's pick something nice and interesting. The Brucey Mean Street. So, here it is. Unopened as yet. It's buying it from GH. It's not somewhere I can visit. I would normally visit the outlet and check it. It's not the easiest thing in the world when the place I would use is like a minimum £300 spend, which is a lot in one go. So I'm buying them a shoulder at a time. GH, they've always been top notch. There we go. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. You know, some people do wine. I do leather. I'll show you what I'm looking at here. Okay. So, boom, boom. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And available soon in burgundy striped leather. Look at that. The red one. Keep your eyes open. It's not just that. So keep your ear to the ground as much as I can get out as fast as I possibly can. In the meantime, leather. Just keep it making, and there's 40 quid worth of brass too. I think there's some leather work going on in the future. Gotta love Bowie.